Awareness and safety. Number 1, orientation. For this practice, take 1 minute to slowly look around the room. Let your eyes land on 3 neutral objects. Notice shapes, colors, and the light. Did your body shift even slightly as you oriented? Awareness and safety. Long exhale breath. Inhale slowly for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Repeat for as long as it feels good. How did your breath feel before and after? Awareness and safety, hand over heart. Place 1 hand on your heart and 1 on your belly. Take 5 slow breaths. What emotions or sensations did you notice? Awareness and safety. Gentle rocking. Sit comfortably and rock your body slightly forward and back for 1 minute. Did rhythm change how your body felt? Awareness and safety. Shoulder release. Slowly roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Do this 10 times. Where do you tend to hold tension? Notice and release. Rhythm and movement. Butterfly hug. Cross your arms over your chest and gently tap alternating shoulders for 1 minute. After the 1 minute, ask yourself, did the rhythm feel calming or energizing? Rhythm and movement, grounding through your feet. Stand or sit and press your feet gently into the floor. Notice the support beneath you. What other things help you feel grounded? Rhythm and movement, neck release. Slowly tilt your head side to side, pausing for a breath each time. When you're finished, ask yourself, what changed in your neck or shoulders? Were you able to release some tension? Rhythm and movement, cross-body movement. Touch your right hand to your left knee, then switch sides. Repeat slowly for 1 minute. You can do this seated or standing. Bring your knee up, foot off the ground. When you're finished, did the movement affect your mental clarity? Rhythm and movement, humming. Take a breath in and hum slowly on the exhale. Repeat 5 times. When you're finished, notice if you sense the vibration in your chest or throat. Did you feel it, sense it, hear it? Body awareness, body scan. Close your eyes and slowly scan from head to toes. Notice any areas of tension. When you're finished, what part of your body asked for attention? And were you able to relax and release? Body awareness, self-hug. Wrap your arms around yourself and gently squeeze for 20 seconds. How did it feel to give yourself support? Body awareness, finger tracing breath. Trace your finger up one hand as you inhale and down as you exhale. See if the rhythm of breath and movement help you slow down. Body awareness, slow walking. Take 10 slow, mindful steps, noticing the sensation of each foot touching the ground. What did you notice when you moved more slowly? Body awareness, gentle stretch. Reach your arms overhead and stretch slowly for 3 full breaths. Where did your body open or soften? Stress release. Shake it out. Shake your hands and arms for 30 seconds. Really let loose. When you're finished, did shaking release any tension? Stress release, wall push. Press your palms gently into a wall for 20 seconds. Not hard, not firm, just press gently. Did the pressure help you feel more grounded? Stress release, jaw release. Relax your jaw and slowly open and close your mouth. Notice if you hold tension in your jaw area. Stress release, sigh, breathing. Take a deep inhale and release with an audible sigh. Repeat 5 times. Notice how your body responds. Stress release, shoulder tapping. Tap lightly on your shoulders or arms for 1 minute. See if the tapping brings awareness to your body. Emotional awareness, gratitude breath. Take 5 breaths while thinking of something you appreciate. See if this shifts your mood. Emotional awareness, self-compassion. Place a hand on your heart and say silently, I am doing the best I can. Notice what feelings come up. Emotional awareness, nature pause. Look out a window or step outside and observe something in nature for 1 minute. See what it is that you notice. Emotional awareness, gentle forward fold. Fold forward slightly while seated and let your neck relax. See if this helps your body release any tension. Emotional awareness, slow breath counting. Count 5 slow breaths. See if it is easy or difficult to stay present. Integration, body check-in. Ask yourself, what does my body need right now? How can you honor that need today? Integration, stretch and reach. Stretch your arms outward as if creating space around you. Take up space. How does the space feel in your body when you do this? Integration, bilateral tapping. Tap alternating hands on your thighs slowly. Notice if the rhythm feels soothing or not soothing. Integration, long exhale reset. Repeat inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For 1 minute. Inhale, and then a longer exhale. Notice what changes in your nervous system.